Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Madness channel. And we can see the blood, like bloody Bitcoin, bloody crypto, bloody candle. Now we can see on the weekly chart. If we look at the weekly chart, we will find like big amazing bump last week from $85,000 to approximately, we can say, 64. And then we have another like approximately same candle, like bloody as hell. But let's talk about everything about crypto and Bitcoin and especially Kaspa. And we are so close to pull run, so you need to have your back from any kind of coin that you believe in, that you see the fundamentals best fundamentals. We can have the best potential of fundamentals of any project. You need to look more about the fundamentals, the trend, the marketing, a lot of things more important than the chart. Even though we can look at the chart, but believe it or not, it's not number one thing. You need to look more around the fundamental thing, the hype, the holders, the whales, the on-chain things. You need to look about these things more, and that's the potential of Kaspa. Because if we will look at Kaspa at the chart, bro, let's be serious. We need a dump. We need a correction, healthy correction. I'm not talking about something bad. I'm talking about something like it will looks like a dump, but it's healthy correction. To see Kaspa at 10 cents, 8 cents, we can see also on 7 cents, and that's healthy. Even if I see this like we can see bearish situation, it's healthy to me. I don't have any problem with that. But fundamentals winning, fundamentals and the hype and the marketing of Kaspa and the community supporting Kaspa, and take out Kaspa from the wallet, from the like centralized exchange, and take it in decentralized wallets, on the web, on the PCs, on whatever. That's pretty bullish, and it's the most altcoin. You can see it's more stable up there. There is no big corrections. If you look at the top 10, top 20 altcoins, you will find them have a big corrections, not same as Kaspa. Kaspa is different. Kaspa now 16 cents, $4 billion dollars in the market cap. We can see volume pretty low comparing with everything, but we can see what is happening in the crypto market in general. So people stop selling. It's not that big selling, and we can see the chart is kind of, we can see like sideways between like 15 cents to 17 cents sideways. So that's pretty good. I can see it's pretty good. Like there is no big amount of buying and there is no big amount of sell. Maybe buying is more a little bit, but it's good. Okay, let's talk about the kind of updates, and then let's look about the chart and everything related to the upcoming movements. So we can see a lot of updates from Casplex. We can see a lot of updates from other accounts. I will show you everything. What you need to know, or what you need to have in the crypto market, especially if you look more about fundamentals and news, you need to be updated with the news. And that's what we have on Telegram. Telegram, you can go in the description, you'll find my Telegram for the channel. We update you with every single news in the market, or related to the market, or affect the market of crypto. You will find yourself always updated, so don't forget. If you are new on the channel, make subscribe. Your like is so much, like it's like second to you, but it's so important thing from you as a support for the channel, so we keep going and keep posting consistently, because it motivates us more. Because to me, YouTube is not that important to me, to be honest with you. But I'm just like, okay, let me do that. A lot of people are interested, so why not? So let's talk about the upcoming moves to Kaspa. We can see Kaspa now, we have a block DAG, not blockchain. It's way faster, way decentralized, and a lot of options I talk about in the last 2 videos. You can go check them. But what upcoming to us is Kraken, and especially as a fundamental is the smart contracts. and also the KRC20s. So when we can launch smart contracts, that will be definitely another move. Look at Tron. Look at Tron. Look at Tone, which is for Telegram. When they launch the smart contracts, how the price blow up. Tone actually is from way far, it's in the crypto market. But when they launch the smart contracts, look at the hype, look at the fundamentals, look at the price, look at everything about this blockchain. So we can see way more. It will be another level. We can see a lot of problems, a lot of things in the beginning. That's okay if it happened, but the testnet, it seems like okay in the beginning. Okay, so that's first. So we need to understand something also more about this thing, which is when we have smart contracts and we can have altcoins on KRC20, you need to understand there is also stable coins can be built on KRC20, which will bring like billions of dollars liquidity for this blockchain, because there is a lot of people want to use it. Okay. Let's talk about people who asking me in the comments about the decentralized swaps and stuff. Let me give you my recommendation and my advice. It's not financial advice, it's just me being aware from any problem. You are talking about a block DAG or chain, or we can say network in the beginning. So it's possible to have a lot of problems, a lot of movements, a lot of things which will not go that good and stuff. I prefer, in my opinion, you want to buy Kaspa, you want to sell Kaspa, just have your decentralized wallet. You can find it from the official link of the project itself. You can find a lot of wallets, web wallet, BC wallet, another kind of wallets you can use. The easier one is the web one and the BC one, and save your 12 words and buy the Kaspa from the platforms, and then try to withdraw just one Kaspa on your decentralized wallet. It works, everything is good, move all your Kaspa. That's the safest way. Don't try anything, don't test anything, don't go to test your funds in new projects until it works well. Believe it or not, I'm just being kind of aware on your money, on your tokens, give you kind of like, I tried a lot of things and I have experience in that, and I have bad and good experience. So I'm just trying to give you all so you can be on the same page with me, so you don't fall in the same mistake I have. So take care about that. So move to the easier ways until we have fundamentals higher, strong DX on Kaspa, then we can trust. There is a big liquidity, so okay, let's do it. That's it. So we can also have kind of updates on the KRC20, and we have nearly finished all the work on Casplex Index and are waiting for the stress test. So I see things are good, and they testing even the make a lot of stress on the network, so we can see what it can handle, and that's pretty good. And let's talk about Cas Media, which is the media of Kaspa. We can see Kaspa Network is making waves after successful Binance Live episode. Trading volume surged like 4x. Market inserts astar also key meters. I think it's kind of hype, but we can see like futures on Kaspa, but we can see like a lot of potential to have listings of the tier 1 exchange. We have Bybit now, which is good. We have more and more and more. OKX, Binance. No way that it will not be on Coinbase. You know who is behind Kaspa, and Coinbase related to who and wanna be okay with who. So I think it's pretty easy to find it on Coinbase. So we will see a lot of huge liquidity come to Kaspa. That's about the fundamentals thing. Okay, let's look at the chart. Let's go first to the mom of crypto, which is Bitcoin, or dad of crypto, whatever you can call it. We can see like big movement here, and we saw this also big movement here. So this kind of way the upcoming movement, it will be huge. So if we will see the best correction what we have here, I expect that we have at least 50% from this wave. Already we have this wave, 5 waves, and there is correction here, 3, and then we have this bump. Okay, so we reach 50% with a wick. Okay, and we reach here after this bump, we reach the 50%, and we was close to the 61%, but we reached the 50%, so clear. We reached it here with just a wick. For worst case situation, we can see the Bitcoin on $50,000 for a correction, and it's healthy. You need to understand that when the market is always going up, you must expect that there is something coming. Let me give you what? Let me give you something so clear. You can see here, this is the highest of the RSI. It was here, and then we can see a lot of bump, but we can see the RSI is moving down. That 100% clear that we will have a big correction, and we have it. And it was still, we make a higher high, but it was down here or on the RSI on the weekly, and that means that we have a big movement because we have on the weekly, the divergence on the weekly, not just in the daily, and we have the bear market. So we have the same thing now. We are about to see this movement again, and it will be maybe until 100,000 or maybe more, maybe before, because people will just like see the Bitcoin goes to like 85, maybe $85,000, and people was like emotionally, yeah, we will see the 100,000 and blah blah blah. But who control the market and the whales and the centralized exchange, they wanted that. So we can have a lot of futures, we can have a lot of trades, and liquidity will be insane. So they can liquidate all of this money. People expecting going to 100,000. Okay, so let's take care about the movements, the upcoming movements. So that's about Bitcoin. So no one can say to you what is coming now, but we can understand that the next movement, it's about to be huge, really. Let's talk about the total market cap without the 3 biggest coins, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the dollar. Okay, we can see that this surge, the highest one, was on the second movement. Okay, and it was here, all of this way. Okay, so that's pretty important that you can understand that. Look, this movement from July until November. Let me make it, let's go to July. Look at July here. It's from here until November here. So we didn't see yet our altcoins surging and reaching other levels. So the highest to us is just 1 trillion, 1.1 trillion. We can see easy 2 trillions or 1.6, 1.5, about this average, but I can see it will be way more. I can expect that. So we still about to see the altcoin season. So be prepared, have your bags, go DCA for the coins that you believe, the tokens that you believe. We will cover everything about Kaspa and share with you every good token, good project you can invest in, so you can make your own research and then you can decide what you can do. And maybe in the future we can share with you free trades on Telegram. So be sure to subscribe and like button, share with us our opinion, share with us your opinion about the crypto market and what will happen to Bitcoin, how you see Kaspa from like advantages and disadvantages. That's so important to us. And don't forget to go to Telegram and be there so you can be updated with all news and also in the future few free trades. Thank you.